everyone, Stacy Loves You here. Here's the question: can you have it all? Can you manifest life dreams? Can you be the you that gets all of the things? Well, friends, the answer is yes. The answer is hell yes. You can have, be, or do anything you want when you know that you deserve it, when you know that it's already yours, when you know that you are steering the ship and you are in control of everything in reality using your thoughts. The universe must conform. It has to conform. That's how this whole game works. So know you own it, know you have it,